indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area.
I need the light.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chester, Sparta, Red Bud, Bremen, Steelerville, Percy, Coulterville, Tilden, Evansville, Baldwin, Eden, Preston, Blair, Prairie du Rocher, Prairie, Ellis Grove, Bruma, and Houston. This includes the following state parks: Piney Creek Ravine State Natural Area, Randolph County State Recreation Area, World Shooting and Recreational Complex, Turkey Bluff State Fish and Wildlife Area, and Kaskaskia River State Fish and Wildlife Area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:30 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Illinois: Monroe, Randolph, St. Clair, and Washington, and St. Genevieve, Missouri.
You are my best friend, Joshua.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 4.